In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can upload shots from your PC. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow all the steps properly. Alright, so currently I'm on a web version of YouTube. And right here, you just need to click on this camera icon and then click on upload video. Now select your file. Now here you can see I have a video file. Now you need to remember one thing, guys, that your video file must be less than 60 seconds and it must have the ratio like your smartphone. Alright, so here you can see I have a clip. Now I'm gonna upload this in YouTube. After that, if you want, you can name it. And if you want, you can add a description. Now, if you want, you can choose a playlist and then you can add tags from here. You just need to follow the same process as it is the normal YouTube video. After that, hit next. Either you can schedule your video or you can make it public or private. Then click on publish and your video will be posted. You can see video published and you can find it over on this link. And if I go to my YouTube account right here and in the short section, you can see I have a video. I have a short video which we have uploaded now and it is appearing as short. This is how you can upload shots from your PC. If you found this video helpful, guys, then make sure to give this a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.